Well, good evening, my ladies and my gents. This is just a quick one. I made an order earlier this week from Josh over at VCG Resins. I'll have the whole thing on the What Did You Buy Wednesday, but I wanted to bring this up real quick. This is the new drag slicks that he's got with the beadlock Alumistars. He's got two options, with the front being 8-inch tire and the rear being a 4-inch tire. I got the 8-inch, and you can see the size of the 8-inch. I want to show you. This is what we got, and this is really cool. And pulling it out, and of course you got the front wheels. You got the little extenders that go in here, and that you can set up for different sizes of axles that you're using, and you've got the barrels, the bead locks, and everything. Just absolutely gorgeous. Tires, really nice. Of course, that needs a little bit of touch up. Let me see if I can get a little bit of light on it. There we go. That Mickey Thompson, got a really nice, hit it with a little bit of flat black or rubber black, and that just, or even just a flat clear. But this is really, of course, this is the back side. But you look at it, let me see if I can zoom it in a little bit. Not for highway use. This is fun. But the bead lock drops in the little groove right here. But you can see how it wrinkles around here, and it will set just real pretty. And biggest reason I wanted to bring this up right now as opposed to waiting, these are a limited edition, and I really thought they would sell faster than they did, and I think Josh did too. It's kind of surprising. But you go and look at them. Go online. I'll have the link to this particular page that he's got these in the description. But he's got 2 sets left with the 4-inch front runner tires and 8 sets left with the 8-inch. Man, go grab some. These are incredible. Look at the detail of how that's wrapping. I mean, that is gorgeous. Just beautiful, beautiful. And looking at the other side, you can see that he has got one going each way so that they're not, and it's just, man. But yeah, go on over to VCGResins.com, and like I said, I'll have this in the link, or I'll have the link in the description, and be sure and use my promo code JESTER10, JESTER10, get 10% off. So instead of $22, you'll pay $19.80 for it. So yeah, go check it out, man. I've been waiting for these to come out. So anyway, that's all I'm going to do tonight. I'll keep this dead, keep it short, and I will talk to y'all Sunday. Yeah, B-Tex signing out.